Hi, my name is Keisha and I'm about to fix my haircut. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so basically I'm just cutting some more of my hair off, probably. So I actually detangled my hair first for once. I just want to even my cutout because I just feel like it's not even. It's pretty even for me to have cut it with scissors, but I just have a feeling that it's different lengths everywhere. So let me see. I don't know, I feel like in here it's weird. Like in that section, I don't know. That, and I'm gonna go for a different blonde. So I went to Sally's, and yes, I got this bag just for the purpose of this video. I got some clippers. These are Wahl designers, and it comes with the guards in it, and it had the guard that I wanted, so go me. And I got this Wella Color Charm 9N that I am probably going to be mixing with this 8N. I'm just gonna get started on this cut, just evening myself out. Okay, so I'm using an 8 guard because that's the biggest one that I could get in a short amount of time, because I decided that I was gonna do this morning. So boom, love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for it. Wow, let me make sure this is open actually. The lever on here controls whether the blades are open or shut. It's really hard to explain unless you go to the barber. Like this lever here, you can see the blade opening and closing, or like going up and down. So this would be open and then this would be closed. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it because if you open it, it will leave it a little bit longer. So I just have to see where the 8 will take me, and then we're gonna do that. Alright, so the 8 guard's not gonna take off enough. So we're gonna go down one. That's crazy. It goes 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm pretty sure. I mean, if an 8 ain't take off enough, maybe 6 would take off enough. Because 8 barely took anything off. 7 would probably take the slightest bit off of that. So, fuck it, we ball? Alright, so this is a 6 now. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna comb out my hair some more. Okay, so here's where we are, but it's a hard no. Okay, listen here. We're just experimenting. Thought there wasn't no 4. I'm about to be stressed out. It's a 4. Shorter we go. All right, and it's still open. It's been open this whole time. The blades, these blades, not this. Okay. I want to close the guard. This is ridiculous. I be getting scissor and clipper happy, but we're gonna close this and then go over one more time, and then I should be good. Because I know I still want a little bit of hair on my head. So now I'm just deciding what I'm gonna do as far as the color. I'm trying to decide because I don't think I want platinum, because platinum is a lot of upkeep. I don't know. I'm just trying to think, what's the point in putting this color on when I feel like what's in these two boxes is very similar to what's already on my head. So it's like, do I just go ahead and bleach it again then? Or leave it? Or just do the colors that I got? I don't know. Baby, what color should I do? My husband's a genius. You are a fucking genius. Let me talk to the people. I'll be right back. He reminded me that this is crooked. He reminded me that he wants to bleach his hair and it'll probably be like a pinkish. And I forgot. I have this Spring Blossom toner by Ion and it has like pink reflex in it. So I'm about to bleach my hair. Yeah. Boy, my scalp really. Look, ain't no, girl, it's all scalp. This is a cute amount of hair. This is what I should have started with. I told y'all in the video where I cut my hair off, and I'll be over here. Will it be over there? I'm pretty sure it'll be over here. It's not over there, it's right here. And y'all can watch me cut my hair in shambles. And in there, I said that I typically be like, oh, that's too much hair, and I end up cutting some more. But I think I just ended up cutting off all of the black, which is fine. Cool. So I'm gonna go grab the bleach. I'll mix it. Y'all know I eyeball my bleach. So I'll just show y'all what I use. It'll be the same bleach from my video where I cut all my hair off. So I'll be back. I'll go get it, mix it, and be back. Alright, so I got the bleach. When I said I was gonna use the same stuff as last time, it's the same brand, but I'm using a 20 volume developer for the bleach instead of a 30. So I got my Express Level 9 Lightener and then 20 volume developer. And this is the toner I'm going to be using in Spring Blossom. And I'll use that with a little bottle of 10 volume developer. So I use about 2.5 scoops of this bleach, and I'm just eyeballing the developer until it gets to a consistency that I like. If you're not comfortable with eyeballing, which I completely understand, then there are mixing ratios on the lightener. It's either a 1 to 1.5 or a 2 to 2. Or 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2.5. So it's either 1 part bleach, 1.5 parts developer, or 1 part bleach, 2.5 parts developer. This is our consistency. Yeah, that's it right there. We should have just put this down a little bit like I normally do, but whatever. Yep. Boom. So I'm just gonna get to bleaching. So it's 4:28 right now. So let's say around 4:45. I'll see what it looks like. Like my hair is not too far from being like damn near white anyways. Ow. Bit my tongue. But so that's definitely why I don't want it to process too long, because I'm not trying to deal with platinum again, for real, for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this process, and I'll be back when it's time to tone. Oh, I probably will condition for a little bit before I do the toner. I have my Camille Rose Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. So I'm gonna use that after I rinse the bleach out, but for now, I'm just gonna go ahead, straighten up the bathroom, let this process, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm currently mixing toner. I'm using the Spring Blossom Toner 1-to-1. I started mixing off camera because I'm kind of in a rush because I bleached my husband's hair and he right there, and we gotta rinse it out.
Hello.
That's my husband. But I'll show you the consistency of it. I mixed it with a 20 volume developer instead of a 10 like I originally said. But like I said earlier, this toner has like pink, like pastel pink reflex into like in it. So you either use the 10 volume developer just to tone, or the 20 volume to tone and add pastel tones. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna put that on now. So yeah. So I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm just gonna watch it, check it every couple minutes. Usually I say every 5 minutes, but literally probably less than that because I don't want my hair to be pink for real. So I'm gonna rinse my husband's hair out, then rinse my hair out, and then I'll be back. I'm pretty sure I started doing this about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I actually think this is a decent rinsing point. So yeah, I'll be back. And we're rinsed out. Yeah, this is it. So I should probably turn around or like make sure y'all get a like real good look. It looks like my husband said, it definitely looks more purple than pink, which is fine because purple's my favorite color and I have a thing against pink, so I don't know why I keep dyeing my hair that color, but boom. Super cute. I'm actually cool with how it turned out. I was panicking. Let me zoom out so you can take me seriously. I was actually panicking because it looked super pink. Sorry, I'm moving around. But all I'm gonna do now is, since I just rinsed a chemical out of it, I'm just gonna put the conditioning custard back on it. I'm gonna use that as a leave-in since we're about to head out. And I'm just gonna do that. And then when I get in the shower tonight, I'll deep condition it. And I'm gonna take my wild growth and black castor oil and just put that on top. My hair actually doesn't feel bad, so that's good. Another reason why I wanted to use the ion toner over the Wella one. I don't know, the Wella be making my hair feel crazy. Yeah, this is my hair now. I don't know how long it'll be my hair for, but it's my hair now. My eyebrows are done. So all I know is I'm about to be a bad bitch. Shout out Nitra. This was supposed to be an outro. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. Don't forget, my social medias will be in the description box below, as well as all of the products I use in this video and equipment like clippers and shit. Don't forget, my DMs are always open if y'all need anything from me. I just appreciate y'all so much, and thank y'all for being with me on my like life journey and stuff, because I be doing so much shit to my head that like I don't know if y'all just kind of like I do one thing and then boom, do another. I appreciate y'all and I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.